A very good start. That's how Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness has described the $230 million worth of tools and material that are now available to boost the government's roof repair program. Karen Simpson tells us more.
After more than 2 months of waiting, residents of Western Jamaica who were affected during the passage of Hurricane Melissa can now breathe a sigh of relief. On Thursday, the government launched its shelter recovery program. 24 hours later, some $230 million worth of tools and materials were handed over to the government toward its roof repair program. According to Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness, this is a very good start.
We select certain communities where the government, through its engineering capabilities through the JDF and supported by volunteers from other engineering corps from Africa and regionally, will physically replace and repair roofs. Now, we know that we do not have enough manpower to do this on a wide scale. With the manpower we have, we could possibly do 400 to 500 roofs within a month or two.
Dr. Holness said the program is an opportunity to train more persons in carpentry in order to expand the corps of engineers.
We're going to need the skills as we enter the reconstruction phase, when the real construction work begins. And right now, it is patently clear that we do not have enough skilled labor in the construction industry.
It is why the program will be expanded through the Hard Trust NSTA. In the meantime, Dr. Holness said while the government has been focused extensively on roof repair, and with some houses being totally destroyed following Hurricane Melissa, reconstruction will be critical.
We have purchased through the NHD and through the Ministry of Housing pre-built, modular, rapidly deployed housing solutions. The NHD has on order 2,500 and the Ministry of Housing has on order about 330. Those will require some amount of engineering support. Support to build the bases on which they will be anchored, support to fit them on the bases, and support to assemble.
Karen Simpson, TVJ News.